What's going on, everyone? It's Nick from Forest River Vibe. Today, we got one of our best sellers. It's the Vibe 2600 RK. This unit right here, it's 34 feet total in length, only weighs 6 to 800 pounds dry. It's a half-ton towable unit. You got 26 feet box length. All of our Vibe floor plans are gonna have a nice, beautiful pass-through storage, very spacious. You're also gonna be able to see the aluminum framing. The construction of our Vibes are going to be aluminum frame all the way throughout. Same thing on the floor. We use a laminate floor, aluminum sidewalls, aluminum floor, 1.5 inch thick block foam insulation on your sidewalls, 2-inch thick block foam insulation on the floor as well. The frame that we use is the Norco huck bolted frame. Huck bolts are used on the construction of skyscrapers, jets, tanks, you name it. The other nice thing about this, it's powder coated, so you don't have to worry about frame rust. And in comparison to the stock or standard Lippert frame that's usually out there, it's gonna be a high impact weld frame, or Lippert, my apologies. Lippert's gonna have a high impact welded frame that might have frame rust on it. It could possibly break. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Actually, fuck, yeah, there's some wrong things with that. I'm gonna make, here, you're gonna crop this and then I'm gonna go. The Norco huck bolted frame. Our frame is powder coated, so you don't have to worry about frame rust. The other nice thing about us, we have a fully enclosed underbelly underneath, and we use composite Darko access panels as opposed to a Darko wrap. Nice thing with that, if we ever need to service underneath, we just have to undo one panel as opposed to cutting the entirety of a Darko wrap underneath just to service something. The tanks that we have in here, 96 gallons of gray water, 38 gallons for your fresh, 30 gallons for your black tank, and every single tank is gonna have a 12-volt tank heater underneath. We use insulated PEX water lines, and we have a built-in winterization pump over in our universal docking station that is located in our pass-through storages. That universal docking station is gonna have all of your hookups. It'll have an outdoor GFI, an outdoor shower, the built-in winterization pump. It's also prepped for a 200-watt solar panel and a 30-amp controller, which would also be located over there. The nice thing about that is all of your hookups are going to be inside your pass-through storage, and you don't have to worry about all of your hookups being exposed on the outside. It will also have a port on the inside where everything will be able to run through, and you'll be able to have everything all the way enclosed, everything all hooked up, nothing open, nothing exposed, just a nice, beautiful looking unit. We use nice 3M decals all the way throughout. No crazy graphics, no crazy animals or anything that you have to worry about fading or peeling. Our front cap is a fiberglass front cap on this unit. It's a tri-tone painted front cap with orange lights going down. Same thing in the front. You have a nice parking light up there, which are also controlled in your pass-through storage. Electric stab jacks as well throughout here. One button there, one button in the back. You also have an electric tongue jack as well. Also on the Vibe, you'll have two 20-gallon LP tanks, a battery disconnect that you'll be able to connect to with one deep cell battery. Every single Vibe floor plan has an LP quick connect that'll connect to those two 20-gallon LP tanks. For towing, you guys are gonna have a spread axle suspension system, and we use the BAL Norco leaf spring attachments. One thing that's really nice with the spread axles and the leaf spring attachments, you have really even weight distribution throughout the entirety of this coach. You also get just a wider base and a wider foundation. It's also gonna help with the drag and the sway while you're pulling it down the road. And since we're all aluminum framed, you have a nice light coach going throughout, but you also have a heavy enough coach to where it's not going to be blowing around all the way, driving up through the mountains and everything. Stepping inside the Vibe, you're going to notice a look that not anyone else is really able to do. We're trying to be different. We're doing things that no one else is doing, and I'll show you what we're doing here in a sec. So the big thing that we did this year, we put wood grain ceilings inside of all of our campers. No longer are you going to have the white hospital, RV, standard garbage ceilings anymore. You have a nice wood grain ceiling using actual wood planks instead of batten strips. We have recessed can lighting now that is built on a dimmer switch. No more puck lights that stick out like a sore thumb. This unit right here is really known for the big windows, and that's another thing that we're also known for at Vibe. Big, huge square windows throughout every single floor plan. The other nice thing, every single one of these windows will slide open, even the 6-foot ones and out throughout the entire coach. You get nice, low maintenance Roman shades. Easy to use. And if you ever need to clean them, you can undo them right there. Really easy, you don't have to worry about those breaking or falling on you. This floor plan right here in our 2600 RK, you have 2 independent recliners. You can move these around however you would like. They also go all the way back. No electric that you have to worry about breaking. Just lean back, kick your feet out, and enjoy the space in here. Every single Vibe, you get a nice big farmhouse style sink, detachable faucet. You also get a 3-burner gas range. And then on our Vibe floor plans and on the 2600 RK here, you have a convection oven, air fryer, microwave. It's a 3-in-1 combo. And our 4 extreme light floor plans, you're gonna have a microwave oven. Every single reefer that we have in our campers is a 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. It's an oversized refrigerator. The nice thing about this, it's going to be able to constantly run off the deep cell battery at the front of your coach. And while you're plugged in, that battery is going to constantly charge and be, charged, as well as if you have a solar panel, it's also going to be trickle charging. So this fridge is going to be able to constantly run since it is a 12-volt. All of our pantries that we have now in Vibe are going to be backlit and be nice and spacious. We added a whole bunch of storage throughout this entire coach. From our bench seating over here, you have storage underneath as well. This is your 5-person dinette set. This will also come with 2 dinette chairs that are stored under your bed. There's storage up above over here, storage back here, storage above your nice, awesome 65-inch smart TV. It is an Amazon smart TV, and it is standard. Everything inside of this coach is going to be standard. You get an electric fireplace, 6K BTUs of electric heat, bunch of color settings that are really pretty. You have the 2 recliners in this 2600 RK, and then you're also gonna have your tri-fold sofa. This sofa will pull out into a bed 2 adults would fit on. And as a younger guy, I would genuinely tell you that that is probably the most comfortable place in this entire camper. And I would prefer that over the king size bed you have up front. Also, the other nice thing that we are able to do at Vibe, since we use a Norco AccuSlide cable system, we have a lightweight slide out that's pretty low maintenance. It has a manual override in case there is ever an issue. You'll have a cordless impact attachment. You'll be able to attach up here and pull your slide out in case you ever do have an issue. The other nice thing about our slide outs, we're able to have a fully flush, transitionless slide out floor. On camera, you can probably not even notice where it divides at. If you stand right over top of it, you hardly notice it. Also with our floor, we actually use a fabric back linoleum Shaw floor. This is a higher end floor than the standard industry floor, which is usually a paperback linoleum floor. The nice thing about this, it's gonna sit a lot more flat. If there is a puncture or rip, it's not gonna initially tear as easily. It's gonna most likely just stay in that one rip and not tear near as much just because the fabric is more durable. That is something that we genuinely do spend more money on. It's a higher end floor. You're not gonna feel it flexing or feel anything in this trailer. You won't feel any of that bend or anything like that since you have all the aluminum framing throughout this entire coach. Moving forward into our bathroom. Every single bathroom in our Vibe and Extreme Lights will have a 60K tankless on-demand water heater, along with a nice, beautiful light-up vanity. Skylights in our showers, so big ogres like me are able to stand in here and not feel too crammed. All of our showers are gonna have a retractable silver ion retractable door that's gonna squeegee the water off so you don't have to worry about mold or mildew. Detachable shower head as well. That is a porcelain foot flush toilet. And right over here is going to be that controller for your tankless on-demand water heater. Moving on into your master bedroom, you are going to get a custom king-size bed. This is 78 inches by 66. You have shelves on both sides with outlets, USB, USB-C. So if you have a charging station or a CPAP, you have space to put it. The other nice thing, you're going to have storage up above the bed, storage beside your bed. You're also going to have some storage underneath your bed. Those are the two folding chairs that are for your 5-person dinette set. Over here in this closet, you're going to have a pocket door to turn this into a master closet. These shelves are removable with a Phillips screwdriver or a square bit. And then with that, you would be able to put a stackable washer and dryer, since we have built-in standard washer dryer prep inside of this master closet. This is our 2600 RK. It's a really beautiful couples coach. Everything about this coach, hold on, this is our 2600 RK. It is one of our best couples coaches. It's a really well-built quality unit. And like I mentioned earlier, everything in here is standard. So we don't have any tier packages or any off-road whatever packages. Everything is come as is. You get the nice big 65-inch TVs, 2 AC standard in every single vibe, king-size bed in every single vibe, and you get washer and dryer prep in mostly every single vibe floor plan. Come out to the Calgary show right now today. If you guys want to stop on by, I'll be here the whole week and I'll be able to talk to you guys if you have any questions. Thank you guys. Have a good one.